Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a brand new Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a new spoiler to install. I don't know why, but the mail people keep messing up my packages. So let's open it up and see how it's looking. Here it is, we got the PSM. It is just another beautiful sunny day here in Orlando, Florida. It's about like 60 degrees out right now, so it's a little warm just with the sun being out and all that. So I got my hat on, we're good. Already gave the car a quick wash. Now we can properly apply the spoiler. Man, it's gonna look so good. Always felt like something was missing after installing the diffuser. It looks so bare. Here is the quality of the weave. It looks very good in my opinion. So on my last car, my Bmw F30 328, I had just the M Performance spoiler and it was paint matched. So it looked pretty good. I like how it was paint matched with the blue paint. Blended in really well and just added a touch of more aggressiveness, some subtle aggressiveness. But I wanted to change it up this time since I'm going with carbon fiber on the exterior. I already got the diffuser on. So this one already came with the 3M tape on it. But I do want to go ahead and add another small strip right along here so we can get full coverage. So it is helping a lot that I'm working in direct sunlight. So it's warming up the surface of the tape and also the surface of the trunk lid. That will help to get a really strong bond with the 3M tape and the surface of the trunk. Of course, if it was a shady or cloudy day, or I'm working in the garage, then I'll bring out the heat gun just so I can warm up the 3M tape a little bit before I stick it down, and that way it'll stick really well. And now, as always, we want to prep the surface with some alcohol or alcohol-based solution. We got Car Pro Eraser so we can get proper adhesion. Now I'm just going to test fit it just to see what we're working with. I'm not really going to, I'm just going to like unpeel the tape and stick it down. Not really going to have any methodology to this, but just going to try to be careful and so I get it even and stuck on there properly. Alright, looks like a little bit of my 3M tape is showing through. Alright, so it turned out that the 3M, the company that shipped it out, that they already put on it was showing through. So I didn't want any sticky stuff showing through, so I'm about to remove it and then apply my own little strip of 3M. See, I'm still seeing a little bit of tape showing through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that front piece of tape. So I don't want any dirt or anything just sticking up there all the time, especially when I go to wash it. That would be annoying. Alright, I think I got it. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Alright, so now I'm just gonna gently press on it. Make sure we get it all sticking. This thing is fat. Alright, so we got it stuck on there. Here's the fitment. I think I got it pretty even on both sides. Yeah, it looks pretty dang close to me. Pretty content with that. Man, this thing is huge. Looks really good though. It's gonna look so good in pictures. Alright, now I'm going to wipe it down with some paint gloss by P&S Detail. It's kind of like a quick detailer spray. Just going to go ahead and wipe down my fingerprints and all that. That's it. Super simple DIY mod that pretty much anyone can do from home. So really stoked with how it turned out. Looks super aggressive, and I'm glad I can change up like the aggressive look on this build compared to my last build. So stay tuned, follow my Instagram, same name as my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more mods to come. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.